Socially mobile media. Real life examples of mobile social media marketing done right. There is no getting around the fact social media is hot. How do you get people talking about you and your enterprise? A great example of the right way to enter into the mobile social media marketing platform is Flipboard. They have been heralded for their innovation to social media. The app is offered for free, and the creating company is able to capitalize on tremendous list building and networking opportunities on the B2B, B2C, and P2P exchanges. Think about things differently. The key to success is thinking about social media differently than you do other promotional venues. Getting to know your audience enables you to craft social media offerings that are specifically tailored to who they are, what they enjoy doing, where they do it, and how they go about making it happen. To increase your comfort level with mobile social, you can visit Yelp, which is totally free for businesses to sign up for. Foursquare is free and offers a specialized business section that arms you with the tools to get recognized. Create special offers and otherwise create measurable campaigns that you can monitor for overall success. In Chapter 5, we will look at mastering mobile advertising.